to my channel, Chioma Tech TV. My name is Chioma, and today I have my sisters Cheta and Chidiogo. We'll be doing the Mentos and soda science experiment. We have 4 different kinds of soda, and we'll find out which one has the greatest reaction with the Mentos. If you will use this video for your science experiment and you don't know how to report your work from the materials to the procedure to the experiment and purpose to the hypotheses or result conclusion, please watch this video till the end. I'll include a short slideshow summary of all that towards the end of the video. Last but not least, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss out when I post another video. Thank you so much for all your support. I sincerely appreciate it. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The materials for my project are make sure